In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete your Shopify store. To begin, sign in to your Shopify admin, so you are on the main dashboard for the store you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct store, especially if you manage more than one. Deleting or deactivating a store is a serious change, so it is best to double-check before you continue. Next, navigate to the User section in your Shopify admin. This is where Shopify lists the people who have access to the store. Once you are in the user area, find the specific user you need to manage, and click on that user to open their details. You should now be viewing that user's profile or access settings. At the top of the user page, look for the option that allows you to remove or suspend. Select the Remove or Suspend option at the top. This is the key action that starts the process of shutting down access connected to the store and moving toward deactivation. After you choose Remove or Suspend, you will see the option to deactivate. Click Deactivate now to confirm. Shopify may show a confirmation prompt to make sure you intend to proceed. Read the on-screen text carefully so you understand what is being disabled, and then confirm the action. As a helpful tip, make sure you have saved anything you may need later before you deactivate. For example, if you need records for bookkeeping or future reference, download reports and store important information outside of Shopify first. Also, if you have active subscriptions or app charges tied to the store, review them in advance so you are not surprised by any remaining billing. Once you select Deactivate Now, Shopify will process the change, and your store will no longer be active in the same way as before. Give it a moment to complete and then verify that the status has updated as expected. That covers everything you need to know.